Hey everybody, this is Ms. Norm back with another video. Today we're working on lesson 9. This is grade 5 module 1, okay? Lesson 9, grade 5 module 1, homework. And today's lesson kind of details adding and subtracting these decimal numbers. The most important thing to remember here is to line up those decimals. But at the top of your page here, everything is written in unit form where you have the number, okay, and then you have the place value spelled out. So I want to draw your attention to a couple of key details here, right? First problem says 3/10 plus 4/10. Because the place values are the same, you can go ahead and add. If they were different, like down here, we would have to do some extra details, right? So let's go ahead and add because both of our place values are the same. So this really means 3/10, a 3 in the tenths place, plus 4/10, which is a 4 in the tenths place. So the decimals are lined up. You can go ahead and add 3 plus 4 equals 7. Good. And decimal plus decimal equals decimal. So the answer here would be 7/10, right? I'm going to erase this because I don't want you to have to get used to writing this part out because uniform is super easy peasy lemon squeezy, okay? You can just simply look at 3/10 plus 4/10. The place value is the same, so our answer will still be in the same place value. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7/10 is our answer, right? Let's move on. Here we have 12/10 plus 9/10. Are the place values the same? Yes. So we have to add our digits. 12 plus 9 equals, oh wait, good, 21. So that means 21/10 is our answer, right? Now, what does 21/10 look like in decimal form? 21/10. That means that there's a 21 that stops in the tenths place. So I'm going to go off to the side for a minute. Let's draw our place value. This is the tenths place, and our number 21 must stop in the tenths place. We're going to put our 1 here, which means our 2 goes here. 2 and 1/10 is the same as 21 that stops in the tenths place, or 21/10. Here they have the decomposition. They want you to break the digits down by place value. How many, or what's the value of the ones place? Here, our value of the ones place is 2. Here, they want the value of the tenths place. The value of the tenths place is 1. So 21/10 is the same as 2 ones and 1/10. You got it? All right, let's go to the next one. See if you can draw your attention to C, letter C. And I don't know why my camera's blurry today, you all. I'm going to keep going, though. We have to persevere. 3/100 plus 4/100 is the place value. Are the place values the same? Yes, so we can simply add. 3 plus 4 equals, good, 7. So have 7/100 is our answer. And they don't ask for anything else on that one, so good job. Next one. 27/100 plus 7/100. Do you think you can do this one on your own? Okay, Ms. Norm will help you out. So here we have hundreds and hundreds, so our place values are the same. We should just only add our digits, right? So in the ones place, we have 7 plus 7, which is, good, 14. We're going to put the 4 down, carry your plus 1 next door, right? Does this number have a digit in the tens place? No, so we can really look at it as 0. 0 plus 2 plus 1 equals 3. Good. So our answer here is 3/400. 27/100 plus 7/100 equals 3/400. Now we go to decomposition, the breakdown. My students know that decomposing in math means to break the number down into smaller parts. 3/400 really means that there's a 34 that stops in the hundreds place. So go ahead, let's draw our number in decimal form. This is the tenths. This is the hundreds place, right? This 34 must stop in the hundreds place. We'll put our 4 here and our 3 here. This is 3/400. Now they want to know how many, or what's the value of the tenths place. Here, our value is 3 in the tenths place. What's the value of the hundreds place? 4 is the value of the hundreds place. Good, very good. Stop the video as much as you need to so that you can go back in, watch it again, so that you make sure you're working towards mastering the skill. All right, I want to move to a problem that has different place values. So I'm going to draw our attention to, let's go to G, okay? 5/10 plus 7/1000. Are the place values the same? No. So we have an extra step, right? We're going to write our number out in decimal form. 5/10 means that there's a 5 that stops in the 10th place. That's our 10th place. This is our 5 that stops in the 10th place. When you are adding and subtracting decimals, you definitely line up your decimals. If you don't, you're going to get the problem wrong. Line up those decimals, right? All right, so let's look at the second part of our equations, plus 7/1000. So now we have to draw our thousandths place value, right? So this is the 10th place, this is the hundredths place, this is the thousandths place. 7/1000 means that there's a 7 that stops in the thousandths place. So our 7 should stop in the thousandth place. What do you think that we do with the empty spaces? Yes, I know. My students are going to tell me we fill them in with a 0. Yes, we do. Those hold the place value. They're good. Now we can add. Okay, here I have empty spaces at the top. I teach my students to fill them in. That way, when they have the problems completed out, they make sure that they don't move or skip a place value. This is a very good strategy, parents. Make sure they fill in those empty spaces with zeros. 0 plus 7 equals 7. 0 plus 0 equals 0. We're going to go to the highest place value here. 5 plus 0 equals 5. Decimal plus decimal equals decimal. So our answer here is 507 thousandths. Tens, hundreds, thousands. That means that there's a 507 that stops in the thousandths place. So let's go back to our problem. 5/10 plus 7/1000 equals 507 thousandths. That means that there's a 507 that stops in the thousands place, exactly the same as here. I hope this helps, okay? When you all get to the bottom portion, this is the easiest portion of it all. All you have to do is line up your decimals and then perform your math operation. So here, I'll set up one for you. Here we have 0.4 plus, line up those decimals. Line them up. One should be right underneath the other. In the second number, we have a 0 in the ones place, a 7 in the tenths place. Now you can add. This makes sure that you add up the correct place values. The tenths place, 4 plus 7, I hope you said 11. We're going to put the 1 down, carry the plus 1 next door. Decimal plus decimal, decimal. I always go through this step because sometimes the students have the addition correct and they forget the decimal. Will the problem be correct without the decimal? No. So don't forget the decimal, okay? 0 plus 0 equals 0. Don't forget the decimal. Yes, good job. So our answer here. So, 0 plus 0 plus 1. Ms. Norm caught a mistake. Good. That means I get a chance to fix it. I forgot our plus 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1 equals 1. Our answer here is 1.1 or 1 1/10. Do you need me to do another one? Are you sure? All right, if you think you have it, go ahead, finish up your homework. I want to see you all rock out. Give me a like. You can subscribe to my channel if you like. I'm going to do one more for people who may need help. Let's add this one, 56.04. When you're adding and subtracting decimals, it's very important to remember to line up your decimal. So in our second number, we have a 3 in the ones place, decimal, a 0 in the tenths place, and a 7 in the hundredths place. What should we do with this empty space? Fill it in with a 0. Good job. And we're adding, so don't forget. All right, always start in the back like you all learned in second grade. When you're adding double digits, start in the back, okay? Always start with the lowest place value. 4 plus 7 equals 11. We'll put our 1 down, carry our plus 1 next door. 0 plus 0 plus 1 equals 1. Good. Decimal plus decimal, decimal. 6 plus 3, 9. And then 5 plus 0, 5. So our answer here is 59 and 11 hundredths. All right, I hope that helps, sweetie pies, and all students who are out there in the world. I hope that helps you a little bit. This is Miss Dorm. You can always send me a message on YouTube if you have further questions. Have a good day, everybody. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.